So, as it turns out, you can run DWM inside of DWM with a program called Exifer. Exifer is kind of like a test environment. As you can see here, it runs in KDrive, which was supposed to be a testing ground for new ideas. Um, it doesn't have like all of the features of a regular X server, but you can still launch quite a bit of applications in it. I don't think you can't launch everything in it. So yeah, when it starts up, it'll make a new display. You can set the display you want it to be at. So here, my main display is display 0, and then I can set it to, so here I set display equal to 1. And whenever I launch anything with display like this, if I set, do another example of that, see if it's in my history. See if I do display and then equals, and I can set the display number, and I can set where I want to launch the application to. Because this is an X server inside of an X server, I have to specify where I want the application to launch to. Uh, right now, I'm in my main display, the parent display. So what I do here is I start Exifer on display 1 at this resolution. Then I wait for it to start. It's a little hacky, but I just sleep for a little bit and keep waiting until Exifer has started. And then I export display equals 1, which means whatever command I do now that launches like a window will now. Oh, someone's calling me on Discord, it sounds like. I don't know if you can hear that in the background or not. Well, I'll call them back. I'll finish this video. So, yeah, whatever display I export is the display that whatever command that launches a window will now that window will be sent to. So then I can set the background of that display right here with FEH, and then I launched DWM, which I called DWM embedded, which is a separate version of DWM that I like config that I kind of edited. And then when DWM exits the parent DWM, also kill Exifer. Yeah, I'll kind of show you some examples of that real quick. So this is the key binding to launch it. It's a little glitchy, but uh, maybe it's not. All right, so this is DWM instead of DWM. I'm going to close it real quick and start it back from scratch. And I have to hit the key binding twice. I don't know why. Maybe it's like a little defactor bug-ish thing of some sort. But I set a separate background so you can tell where the heck are you? Um, tell what the heck's going on. And I can start an application. I can do Alacrity again. There's no transparency. And then I can switch to different tags because this is DWM. You just can't see the bar. And I hid the bar because I don't want to. And I could do whatever I want. Open Vim here if I want. Probably not what I'd want to do. Uh, and then I could do like, I don't know, Exifer or Zathura. I mean, to, I don't know, open up a PDF. And then whatever window I'm on, I could just map and unmap that and view that whenever I want. And then I can, go between the different tabs. And it's I think it is better than something like tabs, which DWM tab, because tab only works in certain applications, but this is probably more, memory hungry because it's running whole other DWM inside of DWM, and it's just way more work. Uh, so it's probably a little more memory hungry, but the usefulness, it could be pretty. I don't know. It's pretty cool that I can toggle in between different things and have it kind of map and unmap whenever I need it. Also, I will show you this real quick because you can set a display. I could set display. I'll show you this real quick. Display equals 1, and then I could launch an application in this embedded DWM. As you can see, I've done this before, and boom, you can see it just started. And then also from here, I could say display equals 1 or 0, because that's the parent display. Let's start speed crunch again. Speed crunch is the go-to, I guess. And it's hard to tell, but it is in the parent window because I can drag it around over here. So cool. Take that what you want and There you go.